Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to bake something that I've never done before and I am super excited to bake it. It is full of protein, fiber and cheesiness, and they are vegan crackers. Yes, they're vegan, they have no eggs, no dairy, nothing, and super easy. I had my own failures while making it, I have to be honest. I will show you some of them, I'll guide you through them so that it is much easier for you while you're making it if you decide to make it. I highly recommend for you to try and make those crackers because they are really good. They turned out to be amazing. I have not expected that, especially that amount of cheesiness that I found in them. We're gonna test it together and let's get going.
Desire, we feel it all night. Ignite it, we need it all night. Relentless, we chase it all night. Together, we work it all night. Desire, we feel it all night. Ignite it, we need it all night. Relentless, we chase it all night. Together, we work it all night. All night, night, night.
to be honest, I tried the previous batch and I really liked them. I couldn't wait. But right now I'm gonna try these ones. And I don't know, I think this one is just like kind of plain one. Jesus. Really good. Super good. It's like a burst of flavors in your mouth. So now I'm gonna try the spicy one. I put cayenne pepper on it, on top. I don't know if you can see. I think I like the other ones better. I'm not a fan of spicy crackers or like spicy bread or stuff like that. This one has dill on it. Yeah, I prefer one with the dill, with the other spices, not the spicy spices. Make as well. Lean. Should I say it? I don't know. What's it called? I think? No, I shouldn't say that.